18 similar English sounds with different spellings. Sound set number 1. King.
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 Duck.
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 Gate.
Gate.
A. Gate.
Gate.
Hay.
Hay.
A. Hay.
Hay.
Leaf.
Leaf.
E.
Leaf.
Leaf. Kite.
Kite.
I. Kite.
Kite.
Sound set number 2. Fly.
Fly.
I. Fly.
Fly.
Light.
Light.
I. Light.
Light.
Bone.
Bone.
O. Bone.
Bone.
Snow.
Snow.
O. Snow.
Snow.
Cube.
Cube.
U. Cube.
Cube.
Pew.
Pew.
U. Pew.
Pew.
Sound set number 3. Girl.
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 Purse.
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 Autumn.
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 Prawn.
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 Boy.
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 Owl.
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 Play this video again. Bye-bye.
Bye.